Minty Watermelon Refresher Smoothie Recipe. Smoothies are a delicious and refreshing way to cool down during the hot summer months. One particular smoothie that stands out is the Minty Watermelon Refresher. This delightful blend of sweet watermelon and cooling mint leaves is the perfect combination for a light and invigorating drink. So let's look at the ingredients needed and the steps to create this delightful beverage. To make the Minty Watermelon Refresher, the first ingredient you will need is a ripe watermelon. Choose a watermelon that is sweet and juicy, as it will be the main flavor of the smoothie. Make sure to remove the seeds and cut the fruit into small cubes for easier blending. Next, gather a handful of fresh mint leaves. The mint adds a burst of fresh flavor and complements the natural sweetness of the watermelon perfectly. Once you have the ingredients prepared, it's time to assemble your smoothie. In a blender, combine the watermelon cubes and the mint leaves. Add a squeeze of lime juice for a tangy kick. If you prefer a sweeter taste, a drizzle of honey can be added as well. Finally, add a few ice cubes to give the smoothie a frosty and refreshing texture. Blend the mixture for about 1-2 minutes or until it forms a smooth and creamy consistency. The vibrant pink color of the watermelon will shine through, making this smoothie visually appealing as well. Pour the mixture into glasses and garnish with a sprig of fresh mint or a slice of lime for an extra touch of elegance. Take a sip of this minty watermelon refresher and prepare to be transported to a tropical oasis. The combination of the sweet watermelon and the cooling mint creates a burst of flavor in every mouthful. The lime juice adds a tangy twist, while the honey brings a subtle sweetness to balance the taste. The ice cubes give it a refreshing and thirst-quenching quality, making it the perfect drink for a hot summer day. In conclusion, the Minty Watermelon Refresher Smoothie is a delightful blend of flavors that is both delicious and satisfying. With its vibrant color, refreshing taste, and invigorating minty twist, it is a surefire way to beat the summer heat. Whether you're lounging by the pool or enjoying a picnic in the park, this smoothie is a must-have companion. So, the next time you're looking for a refreshing beverage, give the Minty Watermelon Refresher a try and let its invigorating flavors transport you to a tropical paradise. If this smoothie recipe was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.